Hey friends, Min from On a Stamp Page here. I apologize for my voice. I am still a little bit sick. It's been a couple weeks. It's getting annoying. I will go to the doctor again, I promise. Okay. But today I'm excited because I get to play with some more gorgeous products from the Manu Designs Etsy shop. They are our sponsors this month at Crafter's Castle. And I already did a tutorial where I use these digitally, but I really wanted to print some out because they're so beautiful and vintage and make some actual cards with them. So I wanted to show some of the things that I printed out. These tags are absolutely fabulous. And honestly, I probably will use these on gift wrapping this year. And then just all these beautiful papers, and all of these will be linked down below. And I decided that we're going to make two cards. They are technically the same card, but just with a different layout. So one's gonna be vertical and one's gonna be horizontal. And I'm really excited about this one right here because the colors were browns and neutrals, and I haven't done a Christmas card like that before. And then this one's gonna be fun because it's reds and whites and blues, okay? So we're gonna move the blue one out of the way, and we're gonna start with the brown one. And the reason that I already have stuff pulled out is because I wanted to make sure that these were basically the same card with just a different layout. So I've got my fibers / ribbons that I'm gonna be using with the beautiful tag. This is the Santa tag, it says Merry Christmas. I've got some different doilies, I've got some twine, and then I've got my backing paper, which is super cool. It's got like a Santa Claus and then a carol on it. And so all I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna start putting this together. So this video is actually probably gonna be pretty short because it's just gonna be me putting the card together so that you can see what it will look like vertically, because we're gonna do vertical first. So let's go ahead and start by gluing these together with our best glue ever. So there we have this really quick and simple, beautiful card. I love the browns. If you wanted to add to it, you could totally add some bling and stuff, but I want to keep this rather simple so that it can be mailed rather easily. It does have a little bit of bulk because of the ribbons and the twine, but overall I think that this would mail nicely. And like I said, you could add some gems, like I could see gems here, or you could add some faux stitching too. That would also add some texture. So this is our vertical one, and now we're going to try and flip and do a horizontal layout with the same thing, but with our blues. So let's get the blues in here, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna work on doing something very similar, but do it horizontally. So here we go. the horizontal one. I love this one too. Again, I think you could add some red gems or some stitching or whatever you want to do. But honestly, these two cards were so quick and easy to make with the gorgeous products from Manu Designs that I highly suggest you head over there and grab some. Also, don't forget to join us at Crafters Castle this month because there is a prize up for grabs from Manu Design. And so until next time, friends, hugs and happy crafting. Bye.